Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to tell you guys about something very serious. This happened super recently, and just a quick trigger warning: if anything regarding SA triggers you, feel free to exit out of the video. And before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys about Current. Current is this banking app. They just have a lot of benefits for people that use them, such as getting cash back when you pay for gas with their card, and they really help with financial management and money and just saving your money in general. So feel free to check that out. We have a link down below in the description where you can sign up. Anyways, let's get started with the video. This is a very, very unfortunate story, but I wanted to share it with you guys to sort of raise awareness about these types of things that could happen. Uber fired a London driver just recently after they were charged with SAing a passenger. So this person was deactivated from their Uber driver account immediately, which is great. This is why Uber is so quick to deactivate people's accounts, is just because if you get a serious allegation like that, they want to ensure everyone's safety and make sure it doesn't potentially happen again to another passenger, so they are very quick to ban people's accounts. This also goes for passengers. If a passenger is acting very inappropriately towards a driver, the driver can always report that, and the passenger can also get deactivated. This was a very, very scary situation. Basically, this woman ordered an Uber around 8:40 p.m. on Saturday, and she noticed that the driver wasn't taking her to the location that she had requested. This is why, as a passenger, it's always important to look at the map, pay attention to the GPS and your surroundings to make sure that you're going the right way, just so you don't end up somewhere completely different where something terrible could happen. So always be aware of where you're going when you're in the Uber. Yeah, so he ended up pulling over, and that's when the incident happened. He kept the doors locked so she couldn't get out. She was eventually able to escape and wave down someone else passing by, and they called the police, and she was able to get in their car, and 20 minutes later the police came and arrested the guy. So Uber actually has a team of safety agents, and they're tasked with investigating very serious incidents like this. They're actually available 24 hours a day to receive complaints from people. It's really risky. Honestly, taking Uber is risky. You're getting into a car with a complete stranger. If you're a driver, you're having strangers come in and out of your car all the time. So it really goes both ways, whether you have an inappropriate passenger or if you're a passenger with an inappropriate driver. So I feel like there could be safety measures that could be taken to avoid these situations, but unfortunately sometimes there's just some really messed up people out there. I don't know, I always think having a dash cam in the car just helps ensures everyone's safety, whether you're a driver or a passenger. I know whenever I get into an Uber and they have a dash cam, I feel a little bit more safe because, you know, I know everyone's being recorded, so they're not going to do anything to me. They know I'm not going to do anything to them because it's all on video. So that's something that could potentially help a little bit for feeling more safe. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to get more news from us, we upload every single day. You can subscribe to the channel and like this video for more. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.